Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Continuing with our mantra of unbox to buy more box, we have X-Men Ultimate X-Spanse. Let's go! Okay, so we have here from Marvel Comics X-Men collab with Transformers. So you can see here X-Men X Transformers 2021, More Than Meets the Eye, collaborative. Okay, we have the Ultimate X-Spanse. So you can see it's the X-Men jet, okay, and that can transform into a robot. Okay, so it's suitable for 8 years and up, which we definitely qualify. And we can see a bunch of other things, a Wolverine and a Sabertooth figure, and a bunch of accessories. Okay, so at the back, we see the actual X-Jet and the robot form of the X-Jet, as well as the use of such accessories. Okay, so this has been with me for a good 1.5 to 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. This was done 2020. I ordered this in Amazon way back. Okay, so it has Energy Blast. That's it, Energy Blast. Okay, so we're going to unbox it on the floor. So on the side, we have an illustration of Wolverine and Sabertooth, the arch enemies, and we have the X-Spanse, okay, the robot. So the robot itself looks like a combination of Wolverine with the claws, Cyclops with the uh, optic blast, and I guess Colossus because it's metal. So anyway, let us open this without further ado. I hope we get to see this in Heroclix form in the future. Okay, so I don't know if it's canon, this particular character X-Spanse. Okay, but there's been a set before, if I'm not mistaken, the Spider-Man Venom Carnage set, wherein they created one-shots of chase figures like Leonardo, the Venom, things like that. So perhaps we can also see it, this one in Heroclix form in the future. Okay, so I'm not a huge fan of Transformers, although I've watched the show a couple of times. Okay, I love robots. I don't have a collection of Transformers. That's all. Okay, but a good friend of mine, Larry, I know collects Transformers, so this definitely would also appeal to him. I collect X-Men, so the X-Men part is what I like. So here we have the box. So we can see some things like Colossus, Gambit, Iceman, Jean Grey. Yeah, so the members of the X-Men, Archangel, Cyclops. And then we can see additional information from the X-Jet. Okay, we have here adjustable thruster nozzle, twin turbojets with deflection thrust, shields for pivotal capability, wing housing multiple redundant fuel drive delivery systems, Shiar derived ramjet engine based on J58 design, rotor cone for maximum air compression, fuel cells, electronics, crew supplies, internal weapon systems housing, okay, surveillance, instrumentation, cabin life support, mechanism, landing gear housing, multispectral radar, radio imaging processing equipment, active radar dish, communication satellite interface, 7-seat passenger crew cabin, communication, surveillance, flight control, fire control, instrumentation console. Okay, so that's the standard model of the X-Jet. Okay, so X5, XS, standard model X-Jet specs and features. Crew capacity, it's a bit blurred. 7 standard, varies with specific models. Fuselage length, 68 feet 4 inches, wingspan 62 feet, propulsion twin J58 turbojets and enhanced, flight ceiling 230,000 feet standard, and maximum airspeed Mach 4.2 at 130,000 feet. Okay, so now you know how amazing the X-Jet is. So no image at the back. And let's see. Ooh, so we have here warning for choking hazards, not for children under age 3. Fair. And we have the Transformers Ultimate X-Spanse. This should be the way to transform it to the robot. Okay, we'll try to figure it out together. As I said, I don't have a lot of experience making Transformers, so this might be a long video. So we have the claws, and we have a sword. Okay, so reminiscent of Psylocke or Magix, I guess. Put them on the side for now. This also looks like Psylocke's effect. Okay. And then we have Sabretooth and Wolverine. Oops. And there we go. Wolverine. Okay. Sabretooth, their painting is basic, but it's a bit sad. Wolverine doesn't have a yellow face paint, so he has a black face paint. Okay, but anyway, so yeah, they're a bit plastic. So put them on the side, and we're headed to our main event, which is the Blue Jet, the X-Jet. Okay, if we can get it out. Okay, let's be careful. Okay, go. Oops, sorry for that. We are unboxing on the floor, so it's a bit flimsy. Okay, so this is the X-Jet. Okay, it's not so stable. Okay, so if you flip it over, we can see the robot is underneath. Let's see. We have how many steps? 34 steps. Okay, let's start with step number 1. Okay, so we finally transformed the X-Jet into the X-Spanse after almost an hour of trying to look at the instruction and trial and error. As I said, I'm not so good with transformers. I have minimum to no experience. So this is the X-Spanse, so you can see his epicness. Okay, I think I got it correctly to some extent, I hope. But anyway, I'm happy with it. And the only question now is, will this ever stay as an X-Spanse, or will I ever be able to convert this back into an X-Jet? Anyway, for now, you're going to stay as a robot in the display. Bye-bye!